You're here today to witness Mackenzie and Cameron's marriage and also to celebrate with them their good fortune in finding each other, the love they have for one another, and the decision they have made to join their lives together.
Dear Mackenzie, when we first started dating, I don't know if anyone saw us here in the future, but here we are all these years later with a love that burns brighter than ever before. I want to thank you for these years of love you've given me so far. I know I'm not always easy to love, but you're always up for the task. Thank you for supporting me in whatever I do. You have been my loudest and most consistent supporter in sports and in life. You're always willing to listen to me, and you aren't afraid to tell me what I need to hear, not what I want to. The most amazing friend, lover, and now wife for this special day and the millions more we get to have. I love you forever, Clementine. Cameron.
I cannot wait for you to finally see me in my wedding dress. The one I chose after trying so many on, and now I'm anxiously waiting to see just how handsome you look all dressed up in your tux. Here we are on our wedding day, moments away from seeing each other, where I'm sure I'll remain speechless. After months of planning and stressing, our day is finally here.
I promise to love you unconditionally every day. I will always be there for you to listen, to support, and to be what you need each day. Each day I will do my best to show you and remind you how much you mean to me.
I've never met a person quite as amazing as you are. From putting up with my attitudes, caring for me when I'm sick, to giving me back scratchies to go to sleep because you know I like it. You continue to go above and beyond every day to make me sure I'm lifted up and cared for. You're my biggest hype man, even when I roll my eyes at you, and you never forget to let me know how beautiful I am. I always wished for a man that would look at me like the most beautiful star in the galaxy, and I found that and more in you. I cannot wait for the day I get to see you become a dad, as you are already the most amazing doggo and kitty dad to our two fur babies. I have no doubt we will only fall more in love with each other, and I cannot wait to live each day with you by my side. Now let's go get married and enjoy our party. Love, your bride and Mac.
Mackenzie, will you have Cameron to be your husband, to live with him as long as you both shall live? If so, respond with, I do. Cameron, will you have Mackenzie to be your wife, to live with her as long as you both shall live? If so, respond with, I do.
I do.
I, Cameron, take you, Mackenzie.
I, Cameron, take you, Mackenzie.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
I promise to work together.
I promise to work together.
To be equal partners in life.
To be equal partners in life.
To speak and act.
To speak and act.
With honesty and kindness.
With honesty and kindness.
To comfort you.
To comfort you.
And celebrate with you.
And celebrate with you.
And all life has in store for us.
And all life has in store.
Inasmuch as Mackenzie and Cameron have exchanged vows and rings before myself and these witnesses, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Pleasure to introduce you to the new Mr. and Mrs. Cantrell.
So, like many of us here, I can't wait to see what the future holds for these two. So, here's to you, Mac and Cam, Mr. and Mrs. Cantrell.
All I look forward to is a life of happiness between the two of you. I was very honored to be able to stand next to Cam, and so thankful that he let me come and talk to you guys. So as long as I've hit my time mark to you two, thank you. I would like to have a cheers to the new couple here. Thank you guys.
From the beginning.
Parents, thank you for bringing us each into joining the families together and for accepting us as we are. This is just a night of celebration. I'm glad that we are sharing all of it with you guys. So have a good night, everyone, and thank you for coming.
Okay, now.
Are you ready?